Are you tired of guessing if your hosting or pages are even SEO ready? Let us fix that right now. I am going to show you exactly where to find the SEO settings for any page in your hosting or website builder. We will walk through the entire process together, from the Pages menu all the way to the SEO panel. No more hunting around in hidden menus. Alright, so first things first. You are going to start from your hosting or dashboard. This is your main control panel where you manage everything. You want to open up a new blank page in the builder. Just navigate to your site editor, and we will go from there. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side. You will see a menu option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage the structure of your entire website. Now inside that Pages menu, you will see a subcategory called Pages and Navigation. Click on that. This section shows you a complete list of every single page on your site. It is the central hub for organizing your content. Next to each page name, you will see a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. That is the More menu. Click on that icon for the page you want to work with. And here is the really important part. From that drop-down menu, look for the option that says SEO Settings. Click on that. This opens up the dedicated SEO panel for that specific page. This is where you control the meta title, the description, the URL slug, and all that good stuff that tells search engines what your page is about. Now let us check a specific type of page to see how this works across your site. Go ahead and click on the article option from your pages list. This shows you your blog posts or news articles. The process is exactly the same. Just click the 3 dots next to any article and you will find the SEO settings right there. If you have a lot of pages, you might want to sort them to find what you are looking for faster. Click on the Sort option at the top of the list. This lets you organize your pages by name, by last updated date, or by status. It makes navigating a large site much easier. From the Sort menu, go ahead and select Product Pages. This filters your list to show only your product pages. If you run an online store, this is a huge time saver. You can quickly check the SEO for all your products without scrolling through everything else. Now click on Product Pages again to actually open that filtered view. You should now see a clean list of just your product pages. Click on any specific product, and it will expand to show you its details. Inside that product, you will see a field labeled Business or Brand Name. This is your site name, and it often gets pulled into your page titles automatically. It is good to double-check that this is set correctly, because it affects how your brand appears in search results. Now, here is a feature I did not notice at first. Look for a section that says, Some pages require your attention. Click on that. This is a lifesaver. Hostinger automatically scans your pages and flags any that have missing or incomplete SEO information. It shows you exactly which pages need work, so you are not guessing. Finally, if you ever get stuck or want to learn more about a specific setting, click on Help Resources. Hostinger has a built-in knowledge base right there in the panel. You can search for topics or browse tutorials without ever leaving your editor. So now you know the exact path. Start from Pages and Navigation, use the 3-dot menu to open SEO settings for any page, and keep an eye on that Pages Requiring Attention section. That is the secret to staying on top of your SEO without the headache.